Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. If secx equals a greater than 0 and sin x greater than 0, express sin x cosine x in terms of a. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We have secx is about 1 over cosine x. If sec x is greater than 0, so cosine x should be greater than 0 in here because we have the correlationship in the formula. We also know that cosine x is greater than 0, sin x is greater than 0, so it means they are in quadrant number 1, because in the quadrant number 1 cosine x and the sin x can be positive at the same time. So we have the formula. So we know that sec x is about a, so we have a equals 1 over cosine x. So we have cosine x equals 1 over a. The next formula we need to consider, we have sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So we need to find the sin x squared in here. It's about 1 minus cosine x squared. And we have cosine x is about 1 over a. And we have 1 minus 1 over a squared, and we got about 1 minus 1 over a squared. In this one we have sin x is about the square root 1 minus 1 over a squared, and there should be about the positive of the square root because we just put sin x is greater than 0, so that's why the square root should be about the positive number. Now we have the question. We need to express sin x cosine x in terms of a. So we have the sin x cosine x, and the sin x is about this square root, and cosine x is about 1 over a. And this is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.